Good morning, I hope you're doing good from wherever you're watching us. It's a lovely morning here in Asembo, Kisumu County, here yet for another solar PV installation. As you can see, I'm geared up and let me take you through the whole process of the installation. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you want to get notified every time we publish a video, just click the bell icon and don't forget to share, to like, and also recommend to your friends. The very first step will be to connect the batteries. After connecting the batteries, we'll connect the inverter to the batteries. On this step, we are mounting the panels on the roof. Finally, we are doing the final connection on the consumer units and powering the house with the system.